If you encounter billing errors on SendCloud, it's important to address them promptly to ensure smooth operations. Follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Review your billing statement. Check your billing statement for any discrepancies. Look for charges that seem incorrect or unfamiliar and make a note of them for reference. Step 2. Gather documentation. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Contact customer support. Reach out to SendCloud's customer support through their official channels. Provide them with a clear description of the billing error and include the documentation you gathered. Step 4. Follow up. If you do not receive a response within a reasonable time frame, follow up with customer support. Reference your previous communication and reiterate the urgency of resolving the billing issue. Step 5. Monitor your account. After the issue has been addressed, keep an eye on your account and future billing statements. Ensure that the corrections have been made and that no further errors occur. By following these steps, you can effectively resolve billing errors on SendCloud and maintain a smooth billing process.